Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it. And I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Do you know the fastest way to get a $500 a day website? It's easy, by cloning a $500 a day website. But until now, this has been impossible. That is, until now. Presenting AI Cloner, a new AI app powered by OpenAI's elite GPT-4 Vision and DALL-E 3.0 models, which take any website image and recraft and clone them into a brand new site. Your site, except with your affiliate link, buy link or opt-in code preloaded. Now here's how it works. Step 1. Either import your own URL or screenshot of a website or browse one of our done-for-you money-making websites. Add your buy link, affiliate link, or opt-in code. Then click Clone. Now the AI goes to work, scanning the page, remaking the images, and embedding your links and code. This is a powerful multi-step process involving GPT 4.0, GPT-4 Vision, and DALL-E 3.0. Step 2. Now your page is ready. Either ask the AI for a respin, edit it yourself, or publish the page, either to our own server or to our built-in free hosting. Step 3. Now that your site is live, replicating a proven moneymaker, there's only one thing left to do: get traffic. And that's where the built-in traffic app comes in. In just one click, this blasts your site to over 40 social networks. Step 4. Rinse and repeat. Because look, this AI is yours to keep. It works with any type of landing page, opt-in page, sales page, VSL, home page, demo page. If you can visit it in your browser, the AI can remake it for your benefit. This is a new way to site build. This is a new way to make commissions. This is AI Cloner. Okay, that's it. I'm off. I have sites to clone and money to make. Thanks, and I'll see you on the inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.
Side.